Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. So first you just have to launch your Messenger, tap these three lines at the top left corner, and then what you're going to do here is to click this gear icon. Scroll down till you see privacy and safety. Tap this one, and then click this end-to-end encrypted chats. Now click this message storage right here, and then turn on secure storage. Tap this create a 6-pin or digit pin, and then click continue. Now create your 6-digit PIN. And then after that, tap submit. Then that's it. You have created your 6-digit PIN. Now what you're going to do here is you just have to simply go back to your messenger. And then at this time, you have to scroll down and then click this account center. Tap this one. After that, you have to scroll down and then click this your information and permissions. Tap this. After that, you have to click this, download your information, and then you have to download this specific feature, for example, specific type of information. Let's just say messages because we're referring to messengers. So tap messages right here, tap next. And then after that, you just have to simply download to device, tap next, and the last is create files. And that's it. That's how easy it is to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.